I bring this bill before you today. This is actually somewhat of a follow-up bill to a bill that we passed in 2023. That was a Senator Kaiser bill. And at the time, the state of Washington was closely watching a court case in Texas where they were calling into question the efficacy of mifepristone, which despite its decades of use, that's safe for people. We were concerned that would there be a federal ruling that barred the use of that medication, that individuals in Washington state wouldn't have access to the full range of their reproductive services. So at that time, we passed a bill, this legislature passed a bill to authorize the Department of Corrections, because it holds a pharmacy license, to distribute mifepristone to healthcare providers in Washington. Since then, it has been logistically challenging for some of these medications to be accessed by the people that need them, and we're facing some of them actually expiring. So what this bill does is it just simply says, with the Department of Health working with the Department of Corrections, that they can provide these medications to the people that need them for perhaps a small fee. It does say may. I don't have a direct answer to the cost in 2023. I'd have to go back and look at that fiscal note from in 2023, but I'm sure staff can get that to you. I would note that in Washington, medication abortion does account for the majority of abortions that occur. It is a safe and accessible, medically necessary form of care for people that need it. And it also critically provides privacy for individuals that would prefer to go through a medication abortion in the privacy of their own home. And you can also get that, you can speak to a doctor through telehealth. So in times like these, for individuals that are not physically located here or face geographic barriers to getting access to care, it's one of the forms of an option for them. And again, just for the record, mifepristone is a safe and effective FDA-approved medication. Despite that, there are 3 federal court cases right now that could threaten access to this drug. In addition to that, we have seen federal changes regarding to the protections that we have for abortion in this country, and we have seen a stripping of federal funding for some abortion providers. So the need for this bill is ever present. We need it now, and we need to be able to make sure that the people that need these medications can get them and that they don't expire.